this is the ball doorknob on a square rose, and the code for this is the D3445. This product is individually handmade in a British foundry. It's available in multiple hand finishes. This particular shade is the polished brass unlacquered. All fixings are provided, and they're also provided in the chosen finish, so they beautifully blend in. So as you can see, that is also in the polished brass unlacquered. You've also got your mortise spindle, which is provided, which is a square fitting one. And the diameter of the rose, so the plate that the knob fixes onto, is 57 millimeters. The diameter of the knob is 45 millimeters. And the protrusion is 84 millimeters. The depth of the rose, so just going across here, is 7 millimeters. As you can see, it is a beautifully smooth ball-shaped doorknob on a plain square rose with 4 countersunk holes in each corner. So this is the ball doorknob on a square rose, and the item code is the D3445.